Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share your Snapchat profile link with anyone you want to connect with. Whether you're looking to make new friends or just share your profile quickly, this feature makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure the app is up to date so you can access all the latest features. Once you're in the app, you'll want to tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will take you to your Snapchat profile where you can manage all your settings and see your snap code. Now, you'll see a share icon at the top right of your screen, usually represented by an arrow. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up options for sharing your profile link with others. From here, you can send the link through text, email, or share it on other social platforms. You can also copy the link if you want to share it later. It's that simple. And just like that, you've shared your Snapchat profile link. Whether you're connecting with old friends or meeting new people, this feature makes it easy to grow your Snapchat network. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more Snapchat tips and tricks.